Hi, I'm Jeff with Factory Links. Here at Factory Links, we manufacture off-road bearings. Today, we're going to share with you how we design, test some of the best unique off-road bearings on the market. So at Factory Links, our designs are specific with dust seals for off-road applications compared to mass-produced bearings with industrial applications. So let's compare a Factory Links off-road bearing with a mass-market bearing. So now we're going to show you here at Factory Links how we test how our off-road bearings are superior to the mass-market bearings. So we're going to benchmark these two bearings in our mud and testing watering machine specifically designed by our Factory Links engineers. This machine replicates the harsh environments our off-roading customers deal with every day. And this allows us to compare the water intrusion in a Factory Links bearings to a mass production bearing. We found the simplest way to compare water intrusion is to weigh before and after environmental exposure. So we'll weigh the Factory Links bearing and the mass-produced bearing and compare the two. For our demonstration on a test machine, we slide the Factory Links bearings on the shaft, our mass-produced bearings So now that we have both bearings installed on the axle, we fill the testing machine with water to simulate the harsh environment the off-roaders encounter every day, to about halfway up the bearing. We're running the machine at about 500 RPMs with the Factory Links bearing on this side and the mass-produced bearing on this side. After about an hour, we'll pull the bearings off, weigh them, and see what environmental impact they had to each bearing. So now that we've run the machine for an hour and we remove both bearings, simulating the harsh environment our off-roaders use every day, we're going to measure our Factory Links bearing, and we're at 66.583 grams, and our mass-produced bearing weighing in at 68.205. So the results in conclusion: the Factory Links bearing had effectively no water when exposed to the environment. The mass-produced bearing, however, took 0.94 grams of water. So what does that mean to you? Water and debris due to the environment getting into your bearing is going to cause an early bearing failure, costing you time and money. So let's take a look on the inside of the bearing. On the mass-produced bearing with 0.94 grams of water, on the Factory Links bearing, it's dry, nothing but grease.